Hello everyone, and welcome to our demo of Expensify's mobile application for submitters and approvers. Today we are going to cover the basics of Expensify's mobile app, how to SmartScan receipts, best practices, creating and submitting reports, and even how to approve them on the fly. When you first log into our app, the inbox is where you will find your to-do list for any expenses that need your attention. Forgot to add a category or submit your report? We've got it all nice and tidy in a handy list. Need to approve a report? Managers can approve reports in our mobile app with the swipe of a finger. Head over to your Inbox tab to have a look. In addition to our inbox, we also have a sliding menu, which can either be accessed by clicking on this three-lined menu icon or swiping from the left of your screen. This tool is the navigation backbone of our app, which allows us to keep everything simple and user-friendly. Now, when it comes to Expensify's mobile application, everything revolves around our SmartScan technology. When you click on the camera icon, it allows you to take a picture of a receipt. This is when the magic of SmartScan happens, where Expensify begins reading the receipt. This process includes parsing the receipt data and automatically identifying the merchant, date, and total amount of the expense for you. Now, obviously not all receipts are physical pieces of paper these days, so if you do get a receipt that happens to show up in your email, just forward it to receipts@expensify.com. And if you're a frequent Uber or Lyft user, it's best practice to set up your business profile within the Uber or Lyft app, so that whenever you take a ride, your receipt from that ride will automatically flow right into your Expensify account. Once you have taken a picture of the receipt, you'll have the option to categorize the expense. This is when you click into the category drop-down menu to classify the expense and leave a comment if necessary. Did you forget or lose your receipt? No problem. We also have an option for manual entry. You can simply click on the plus icon up here at the top right of your screen, and then click on the expense tab. From here, you can manually enter the merchant name, total amount, and date. Expensify also has the ability to track your mileage. When you click on the distance icon, it will show you the different methods for tracking mileage. The easiest option is to track via GPS. All you need to do is click start when you jump in the car and then click stop when you're done. We will track the distance via GPS and then create a point A to point B Google Map expense, which can then be categorized, commented on, attached to a report, and then submitted for approval. If you'd prefer a more manual route, choose distance to enter the total distance that was traveled. To the right here, you see the mileage rate as set by your company administrator, and then down here you can categorize the expense, comment on it, and save it. Next, let's talk about how to create and submit reports on the go. Most companies enable scheduled submit, which automatically handles report creation and submission. But if you'd prefer to do things manually, just access your navigation menu and click into Reports. From here, click on the plus icon at the top right of the app. This will automatically generate the report and prompt you to begin adding expenses to it. In order to add an expense to this report, just click on the Add Expense tab here. This will bring you to your list of available expenses. If you click on an expense, it will be added to the report. If you need to adjust the name of your report, tap the Edit option here and then type your new name. When you're ready to submit the report, click on the Submit button. Your approver will already be populated here, so there's no need to manually type out who you're submitting the report to. Just click Submit. When you do so, the report will be processing and in your manager's inbox awaiting approval. Are you a manager or admin that also approves expenses? Great news! You'll find any reports that require your attention in your inbox. Just click on the Begin Review button to start reviewing and approving reports. It's that easy. Anytime you submit a report, your manager will receive an email notification and has the ability to approve your reports on the website or mobile app. The next topic I'd like to discuss is Expensify's Trips functionality. If you're out in the field traveling a lot, this is where you can view your upcoming trips. When a travel receipt or itinerary is uploaded into Expensify, the trip section of the mobile app will automatically make your trip information available to you after it has completed the smart scanning process. Just forward your airfare receipts over to receipts@expensify.com and we will give you flight status alerts, a quick itinerary overview, and even updates on your gate. Prior trips will be marked as completed and upcoming trips will be listed below. Now that we have covered the features of the Expensify mobile app that will be used in your day-to-day, let's talk about some of your personal settings. Just pull up the sliding navigation menu and click on Account Settings. From this page, you can use our live chat to reach out directly to our support team. If you have any questions about your account at all, just use the help and feedback option here to ask any questions that you have. Thanks to everyone for watching, and happy Expensifying!